Hello guys, today I will be comparing in between Roo Code and Cline. Which one is the best AI coding tool in 2025? Let's get started with the video. Make sure to watch till the end to get all the information. Cline is all about simplicity and precision. It lets you generate code by describing what you want and executes terminal commands with your approval. It's straightforward, efficient and perfect for developers who prefer full control without the clutter of extra features. If you're just getting started or like to keep your workflow minimal, Cline is a great fit. Roo Code, on the other hand, builds on what Cline started and takes it to the next level. It introduces multiple working modes like code, architect, ask, and debug. You can customize prompts, automate browser tasks, and even choose between different AI models for your tasks. Roo Code is designed for power users who want maximum flexibility and a rich set of advanced tools. Both Roo Code and Cline are free and open source, giving you full access to their features without locking you into a subscription. The choice ultimately comes down to your style. Stick with Cline if you prefer a clean, controlled environment, or dive into Roo Code if you're ready for a more dynamic, customizable experience.